ki khubor ka Bate CTV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ki samna pule ke jela mentaka sngi ka santrik banai jemang kelamar ke jingkul mar jumut je berkat bakrau hak por batho ye ke examen kuwait arajar pusau ka long hak school ba Northeastern Hills University. Hak ni ke jing tho examen la dan kumba ndrengut ki samla pule ki bla syukulan lani yap ler hadeng ke jing yeng lan bajurang hapada ki kena pule ki betemu bentho ye ke examen ke ba ke yeng lan ha arts cluster classroom ki ba ap bandrung bentho ye ke subject English balay jing tip bagi samla ki layap le lara ban yo ke jing sumar kanihu kunan artli ki jakka botho examen ni ke center kata ka arts bagi science cluster hendre ye ke admit ka la pinmi de National Testing Agency
ko mengitip mentasi kanan kini ka exam jongka CUET namta ka kini ki UG te nakaliang ka jungi menen ngila pan kre hi ngilai keren bat ki ka isi ba nya dan dekat kini ka singi ka bamenta ka ba ngitip ba kadan sautli ki chef ka basdang narum step ka shpo buje nang tu ka de ka ba khat ar shpowa hadin pat ka balai buje ka exam ka delay no da ka daw hi ka de ba ka jingthot jo ka biometrics ti nakaliang jungi kumta ni apoi naduk step hi ti ngi iba kamdan kan duru ti ni sudan kat kani hi ka jaka ti mar kumta bangi tip ba kadan jing hurura kani ka face ka balai ti kumta ngi ngila ya rap lang ni bol volunteer yakini ki nong bat kam mencu ang ni ka kani ka exam ti ni kunturu ba ya ka sarkar kadiban khmi ban pet ba kumno karukam bha ya kani ka cekai tho exam ba koi kalong ba kani ka admit ka ru kim specify ba hangnu kinyalet kumungi tep ba kani ka cluster ka dan artli ka cluster koi kadi ka science cluster ba koi kadi non science cluster ti hak tu ka admit card kampen pau shai ba ka tho bet ka cluster ti tong hanta ru ki khna bun ba kila lambir nang ni ka kumungi chutep ba kani ka arts cluster kadi ba khmat do ti bun ki khna ki wantur bet kani ka cluster ti ki bamdan ka kerteng hangni lani ka roll number nani ki ya no sitei ti kumta ha ka science cluster kamdan jingthot ko nuru ka ya ben hande kani ka arts cluster pada kumchi on first phase ba ka second phase ka ya bet hande habide ba ka third phase ka sudan jingthot no ba ki bun ki khna ki latur shakani ka jaka kumba lai hajar tam hande kumba ngitep ba kani ka exam kala shuya no claim ka biometrics kani ka third phase de nakadaw ba kim shemla repair so hakapor te nakaleng ke gibor penyat kilaya phone no sedelhi but kilapan ye kata ka permission ban penurlong ye kani ka exam claim ka jing penyat ye kani ka biometrics te de nakadaw kani ka third phase kalaya no claim ka biometrics but kumjuru ye ka fourth phase su kinle no claim ka biometrics te nakaleng jungi menehi ni yarap ki khna ban peni habide ki kamera ni kini kita ti tangum tai i kumba kila betha mentasi ki khna ki bedi banwan tho ti ki nyok tho bet hi ti nakaliang jungi ru ngila keren be ki bor penyat but nakaliang juki ru kila pentikena ba ki ong ba kin penlong be kene ki exam kum ngitep ba kene ka break kadan kum mas kenta tam hande habedi kene third phase mar badap kene kini I break no kumba tang khat san minute nani ar 4 minute hadin kata kin sa penurlong no kene ki exam kumba kene ka first ka fourth phase
dom step nga dan lang berikna semla ke wan tho ya ka CUET jungki te ka jingwan jungi gimdan ka ambang ngijwan jungi ngi wan shwa khmi ba kan dan kan no jing thut ha bede ba ka jing tho exam jungki ni khna semla te ka bangi wan dom step ki por e do shpo bje do khadoi ar bje tu kam dan jing thut amar balai ka strength khna ki duna ban tho exam te ka suk ya ki nong badi page badi priyat ya ka ni ka pelong exam kasu ki pelong exam marba ki na khna te dangi habangi phaipat ka ne ka shift ka balai ka bedim ta ka ba kade ka shift ka ba botne ki khna ban tho te bangi la klip nya na ki te ki ang ba ki ai be sentar tang kanihu te kila percaya ngi halo kata ba ki ang ba ka jingbon kini khna ka penjingjar ka penkemar long ka pentun ya ka ya kajing ya kata biometrik jungki ban lek biometrik ban kaduk nak kasun nak kata tuar bakilek dan kata kan ngut bakilak ban lek bangi pai pat ki mamta gidon ka latri sentar bagi thok kadika kiwi nihu ka arts coaster bak science coaster te bangi pai ngile ban page po science coaster kalong ya be anti te kami pai pat khane ka social science coaster kalong ka ek ba ka penunong na ikna baki klemyo kin ban le ka biometrik ban verify baki thok exam te nak le jungi ngali kendo bangla ken ya ki bari pnya yang ba kide ban le kalau kani bakan penunong ki kena Belum nak kena halal kalau kamlong ka biometrik. Te makibat kalau ang ba kila iPhone ste syaki ba di page po ki jungi NTA na Delhi. Bar kila panjing bit ba kila ajing bit ki ban thok klem lek ka biometrik. Te mta ki kena babon kila barok kila bandung spot ban thok ka papar jungi mta sengi. Te ka ba penungo ngi kalong ba ki exam ki wan nang ni ki wan nakapor sya por ka exam kun ki exam. Kaya ka aja ha juai ba boy lang ba ki thok exam ki kena thok exam ya kanit kalong ka ba penunong ki ngim ko ba kani ro kan long kum kata ka ba penu ka ba ja sport stage juai ba cha boy ba penunong ki kena ya ba thok exam nit te ngi jiwan mi jungi jiwan pe jungi hangne kalong ba ngim ko ba kin nong ki kena sala pule ki ba wan thok ya kini ki exam te ka ngi kapat na kalyang ka ruwa sa ka sarkar kalong ba ngitip ba ka Meghalaya kan dan kum kini exam ba per haki kino ki jeka ba ka sentar ka kelabo dak NTA te kimi NT bang kadang sakar ka de ban le halal kan ne bakan page binyak ne ban apan baka kalong dia be NT ka exam kan ka inga page mentah ne kalong ba nakaliang ka agency ka sentar kan ba shimya ka kanihu i ka command force ka duna nak anduk ki security padang ta bat kawe ka san age ka ba kedau syai ba ki kedau syai ya ki rolombar bagi kelas bagi sentar ke cakasyong bagi dia kedau syai kan ka jingi ka jingle menle jong ngilap nong ka jingle menle jong kini ki ba di page ne kalong ba company bagi kena ki wan dak hajar ngut dak arlah hajar ngut kena ki wan man tho te kalong bajingjar ki bakin tip ya ka hae kata ka room ne ka caka ka kamera bagi dia ban syong ban tho ya ka examine jong ki te kani kalong ka ba ka pelngo engi bang page ba ki kena kiwan lagi hajar ngut ban hatu ko juga poro ka slap kawan hap na uslap te ka long ka bunut nong kena ban ke bang i ba kidan ki angut ki samla ban tho exam kila kelon dakadau ba kila stress ne ki stress bat kila kelumar ka jumjuk berkat ba kila jingjar ban ni urung sport exam ne te habang ila kendo ya ki ba dipen long kila alat ki bakin tho bakin rung mi baro bakin rung baro ba ki sapej ba hadin ya ka biometrik.
The delay was due to malfunctioning or non-functioning of biometric system. Once it did not function, we approached NTA and took a clearance to conduct the exam without biometric system. Subsequently, then we started the exam. That is the reason for delay.
It's a class case of lack of preparedness on the part of Nehu. Will you admit that?
It's not a case for slackness or unpreparedness on part of Nehu. You may like to cite the reasons for what purpose you are saying that, but I would say that there is no.
The way the students will.
So you will have to realize the levels that is involved in the exam. Nehu is not the exam organized. It's only we are organizing here. The question paper has to come from NTA. For everything, the clearance has to come from NTA. So for every aspect, we'll have to get back to NTA. And since jammers have been placed in this place, I'm not able to use my phone. I have to go out of this place to call them up. So these are the things. Yes, I can accept one aspect that crowd management could have been better.
But there was no display of.
I told you the main reason that the biometric system did not work. I cannot start the exam without biometric system unless I have a clearance from NTA. So I approached NTA subsequently when the biometric system did not work. And they gave the permission to conduct the exam without biometric, and that's how we have gone ahead.
But
there is no other reason. We have asked NTA to give us 3 centers. They have arranged only it as a one center, that is Nehu. Whereas we have in Kendriya Vidyalaya, we have science cluster, we have social science cluster. So we should have been given 3 centers. Accordingly, students could come. That if it's given social science cluster, he will come to this place. If he's given science cluster, he will go to that place. But Nehu was given so, and this is the most, is the central building and the most impressive building. So, unfortunately, all the students then landed up here, then they have to guide it to science cluster and other places.
Isn't that the duty of the Nehu, sir, isn't that the duty of the Nehu to tell the student that there are different clusters?
No, sir. It is they download their admit card, they come to know where is the center.
So one last question, sir. Any students miss the exam? Anyone? Because somebody...
Not to my knowledge.
But sir,
No, not a single case has come.
Six.
Say again?
Some parents has alleged that 2 students were rushed to hospital. There was a stampede up here.
So on that aspect, I will not be able to comment. But no case of missing the exam has come to my knowledge.
Akin ba Jambo? Ni lawat prayer po yung kontuan school po akin. Ni wanwa kalau kita kaya belum custom ka nani kena po. Tadi pun kamu ngomong itu kan. Mengikut pan sukan. Lagi itu miskin cari kan mah. Belum ini agen itu mah.
Kan uji ke exam depan exam ni ada kan? Dia kan uji di depan for exam ni ikut baik.
Ada harus menentukan benar menjadi tasbiti belum kita kapur kita kita
Itu ada apa mentah?
Wala de po to kuron nomor kuron sa siling sa ngang wala sa den de kuron tay char gen ka mor ba kunar pagli de sa jangar ke hono mangan ngar hanin yang babacan mo ada tay nanti bakal lo ada.
As a parent, I would say that this is the first time experience of having this exam, and also as a NEHU faculty, we all tried to manage it as much as we can. But nevertheless, Rain God was not very happy with us. Lots of younger children got completely drenched, and after they are drenched, their health condition doesn't remain okay. Some of them had to be taken for immediate medical attention as well. Apart from that, NTA's role, as you have already learned, the question papers, the biometric system, etc., didn't work entirely as it is supposed to work. Compared to other places where exams happen nicely as much as in other centers. But in NEHU, because it's first time for NEHU also, so there is some kind of a glitch, some kind of a gap. I hope it gets covered up in the next occasion. But most importantly, now that NTA should not be made mandatory or should be made mandatory is a question. On that, Government of Meghalaya should seriously deliberate. And the point here is that many students have taken NTA, the test. Many haven't taken because it was not mentioned by colleges that they have to take it. So government should take an important call on this, whether it should be made mandatory or it should be an optional thing. That as a parent, as a concerned parent, on behalf of all the parents, I would like to say. NTA should not be blamed so much because NTA is a distant entity. In fact, we have to take part of the blame on ourselves. As I am talking as NEHU faculty or as a parent, part of the blame falls on us as well. So government also has to see the situation. I want government to be more sensitive to the situation, to the plight of the children that has happened today, especially in an important center like NEHU. So therefore, keeping everything in mind, government should really consider it, whether it can be made optional. It should not be strictly made mandatory. That will deprive many of our children from getting further admission. Actually, parents must say more because being a NEHU faculty, I won't say that NEHU faculty is
But do you agree to this allegation?
I won't say no comments on that, but my observation is that we could have managed this better. And that's our first experience, therefore, we also needed to learn a lot. And we are in a learning process.
Tak ini dah tambah ngau haladi ta So ya pada nama apa nalor don slap upline nang tu nama ka kam don ni security mene don tang hal lain tu saya kuntai
PD kena biji report PD benda exam kena po
kadai live baje
kena biji
san baje tang don nong kai pat ki ong hablai hakwading tu don ba ki don ki nong kai pat hab kat ba syong harum kamut kalong ba syong no room do kim da consider po kai ron number tai sim jing ya nama arba meni ki kadai ka room jongi par kadai nak te ka 112 te la da briu hang te tengi hab ya stage jerong stage floor 6 floor na.
Yeah, the arrangement should be more better. They know many students are coming. They should first. Many students are coming. They should make proper arrangement. The exam should be a normal exam of school, college. Yeah, this type of exam. I really put my best. I give my best.
Kita isham pada kinesnya lebih melalui nomor bun ikna sebagai Islam ki kumar ban buat ki kelas lade ki guna lade se jika ada biar ni
idan MPE ni gadon ni gaji guna gaji kre do kene hu ban kanda ki
dan kami kata nomor kinero melalui nomor bun ikna bawan bun bagi kumar na nga ya lade tengam tar namar nga tega sulai bidherek ngalaya karum lade iwe pat kita ni ba mami ore pat marksi ki watch tu tang bakin ya ore karum lade
ka timing jong pi ban tho exam ka dei ka no buje
lai buje adu lai sopusan
ban piyo ban rung supo ka no buje
niyo rung ar buje lai rung tharaya
kam ngai ka timing ban yo ma choi ka exam ke sekolah Islam di Irula hati lah kan dulu punya rumah lawan lagi mesti tengok orang dapat lah prepare pasal tu yang kan hari next week lah nak prepare ni kau buat pengawan rumah macam benar hidup bang hak song sini kadang pun hak song sini di hari ni dia belajar banyak tempat yang sahabat